here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder why.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it is another vlog and I'm shooting this intro very late. So let me give you a little bit of context. Today we are having Kirtan slash Deep Dan in our house. I will explain to you what it is afterwards in the vlog. But I woke up in the morning, studied for some while, and then in the afternoon I went to the house wherein all of this is happening, which is Nehu Nishu's house. We went there and we decorated the whole house, did everything, made the house look presentable for the guests to come in, and I'm going to put those clips right now. Hi, hello, and welcome to Voiceover Riddhi. So, we decorated the house with some flowers and then we also dressed Radha Krishna and Gaur Nitai. The poshak was from Solochna Handmaids. Make sure to check their Instagram handle out, links in the description.
Guys, so I am taking over Riddhi's vlog today and we are decorating. Actually, she is decorating.
That's me putting flowers on the gate. Lol, like I don't know what to say right now. And we did this for like most of the afternoon. That's Koi Didi. I love her because she was the one recording most of it. And then that's Mithi Didi, and this is what the final outcome was, and we were really happy. It looked really beautiful and blissful. So you just saw us prepping everything and we are done with that. I was wearing a yellow kurta then, but then we went to pick up Nehu's friend and then we came back home to get ready. So right now I am in my normal clothes and I am here to get ready and then rush back to the house because the function is going to start anywhere soon. So right now I'm going to get ready and go there and we'll have a lot of fun. So make sure you stay till the end. But right now let's get ready because everybody is waiting. So we got ready and went to the house again. This is us entering the lift. We are all ready. We are here. Everybody is here as well. This is what my outfit is. Explain your outfit.
My outfit?
Glam. So this is Maharaji and we welcomed him with the Aarti and all of the people from Mutt because we are affiliated to Mutt. And after all of this, the Kirtan finally started and you will see us jamming on Hare Krishna Hare Rama for the most part of this video. Also, this cute little kid right there, she knew all the mantras and it was so cool, like wow. Then we had our Deep Dan. So basically this month is the month of Kartik prior to all the festivities, and lighting these diyas is a symbol of light and prosperity and love, and that is what we did. We also sang Aarti, all of us together, and it was such a blissful time. This month is also a very spiritual month, so all of these rituals help you to find your path towards spirituality. We had our dinner and then the real party started. We started dancing like crazy and mad people on obviously our favorite songs, and nobody could tell that prior to this we had attended a kirtan. Literally, we were chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, and now we are doing this, just two opposite vibes, but it was so fun. Let's move on and take a breather. So after that we went for a ride because the weather was really beautiful. It was drizzling.
तू बोलते तो दिखे नहीं मेरे को पूरी रात
That's Adi and Gauri Didi on scooty, yes. Then we stopped at Jain Chawal Wala for some coffee, but then we decided to go back in our car and went to Spice OK to have some chap and momos. And this is us at 12:45 a.m. literally, but the weather was really beautiful, and like this was literally a vibe. Obviously, the momos and chap were amazing and tasty, and the weather made them more special. And that's all, folks. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.
I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a lot.